Here is a group of friends chatting. What are they wearing? This young lady is wearing a hat, a raincoat, and a skirt and blouse. She also has a scarf and boots. Her friend is wearing a dress, a belt, gloves and tights. She also has a handbag and cool high-heeled shoes. This smart young man is wearing an elegant suit with a jacket, a tie, a shirt and trousers. And what about him? He is a more casual young man. He is very relaxed. He is wearing a long-sleeved loose sweater. No, not a sweater, a hoodie. Casual shorts, socks and trainers. Do you remember what the friends were wearing? Who do you think was stylish? Was it the young woman with the skirt and the hat? No, I think she was old-fashioned. The stylish one was the young man with the suit and tie. Who do you think was relaxed? Was it the young woman in the raincoat and skirt? No, I think the relaxed person was the young man who was casually dressed. Yes, the young man who was wearing a hoodie and shorts. Who was cool? I think it is the young lady with the dress, gloves and tights. Yes, the one who was wearing the cool high-heeled shoes.